My name is Landon Smith. I'm a Senior Manager of Healthcare Technology Management at Versiti. So Versiti is a national leader in blood health. We do blood donation and diagnostic testing and research in the blood life industry. So Versiti uses eMaint for all of our biomedical equipment. Think about like blood donation and all the things that go into that. The thermometers that test the patient's temperature, the blood pressures, the machines that's drawn on, all the way through the processing, the centrifuges. Then we have an entire lab side of it that goes into the blood processing and diagnostics testing. We have over 12,000 pieces of equipment that we have to keep track of. Keeping track of their service histories, keeping track of where their locations are, keeping track of them as capital purchases. We use eMaint all for that. We've also expanded eMaint over to our building facilities side. So when we're talking about putting in repair requests for our facilities team, helping track and manage their projects and their capital. We looked at a lot of different softwares. We really like the fact that, hey, Fluke is a well-known brand. When we looked at our toolboxes, we had Fluke equipment. We knew that no matter what changed, this wasn't a software company that in 5 years, we were gonna get a termination notice. And we saw that brand support was really gonna be instrumental when we picked it. We love the flexibility of the software. We knew it could meet our demands, and it was really reasonably priced.